Hi everyone, let's see how you can completely uninstall WPS Office from Windows 10 or Windows 11. To get started, simply search for installed apps and click on it. Then in the search box here, search for WPS. You'll get the installation of WPS. Click here and then simply click on uninstall. Then click on uninstall directly. Here you'll get these two options. Select the second option and then click on OK and simply wait for the uninstallation process to finish. Once done, restart your computer once. After restart, right click on the start menu Windows icon and click on run. Then in the run dialog box, type %local app data % and then click on OK. Here you will find a folder of Kingsoft. Simply select and delete that folder. Now go to Documents. Then click on View from here. Then go to Show and select Hidden Items. You will get a hidden folder of Kingsoft. Simply delete it from here and that's it. You are good to go. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.